Hi children, good morning. Welcome to the today's video class. How are you children? I hope that you are good. Okay children, tell me how many digits that we have. How many children? Digits ma? We have 10 digits. What are they? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These 10 digits, by using these 10 digits ma, we can make many numbers ma. So today what we are going to learn ma, we are going to learn forming the greatest and the smallest numbers by using given digits ma. So let's start the class children. So what is our topic children? Forming the greatest and the smallest numbers children. So first we will learn how to form the greatest number by given digits ma. So first of all ma, whatever numbers they are, you have to start from the ones place ma. Where we have to start ma? We have to start from ones place ma. Okay ma, we have to start from ones place. So we place the smallest digit ma. So from the given digits, we have to choose the first smallest digit, and you have to choose the smallest digit at ones place ma. Where ma? At ones place you have to place that one. Then what is the next step ma? Then the next greater digit. So greater than the smallest digit ma. So you have to choose greater than the smallest digit ma. So that is in the tens place. Where ma? That is in the tens place. You have to arrange in the tens place children. Okay children, gradually move to the next place, that is hundreds place. Ones, tens and hundreds. So now you have to choose the greater digit than the tens place digit ma. So you have to place it in the hundreds place. Okay children, like this one you have to place the till the greatest digit placed in the highest place. So okay children, let's start the sums ma. So like this you have to place the till the greatest digit ma is placed at the highest place ma. Okay children, so the greatest digit you have to place the greatest digit at the highest place. Okay children, so now we will learn with the help of examples ma. So first I will take few digits children. Okay children, let's do with some examples children. 2, 3, 6. Okay ma, I'm taking these three numbers ma. So how many digits are there ma? 1, 2, 3. 3 digits means 3 places ma. So what are the 3 places ma? Ones, tens and hundreds. Okay children, ones, tens and hundreds, 3 places ma. Among these 3 numbers, which is the greatest number ma? So 6 is the greatest, then 3 is then 2 is ma. So 2 is the smallest number. Okay children, so what we are doing ma? We are creating the greatest number. We are writing the greatest number by using these 3 digits ma. What are the 3 digits ma? 2, 3, 6. So in among these 3, 2 is the smallest one. 2 is the smallest number. So you have to place the smallest digit at ones place. So what is the ones place here? So you have to place the 2 at ones place. So now what is the next greater number ma? Compared to 2, which number is greater ma? 6 is also greatest, but next greater number is 3. So this is next greater number. Okay ma? So 3 is bigger than 2, but it is smaller than 6 ma. So this is the next greater number. So you have to write the next greater number in tens place. Okay children, and which number left ma? 6. This is the biggest number, the greater number. So you have to write the next greater number in hundreds place. So what is that number ma? 632. So by using 236 we can use this number. By using 236 we can create this greatest number 632. Okay children, move with another example children. Okay, the second example children. So take any 4 numbers ma. 4, 7, 0 and 8. Okay ma, what are the 4 numbers ma? 4 digits ma. 4, 7, 0, 8. we choose 4 digits ma. What are that? 4708. So how many digits are there? 4 digits. So you have to write 4 places ma. What are the 4 places, children? Ones place, then tens place, then hundreds place, then thousands place, then thousands place. Okay children, these are the 4 places ma. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So what is the rule ma? Among these you have to choose the smallest number. So among these 4, which is the smallest ma? Obviously 0 is the smallest number. Which one ma? 0 is the smallest among all these numbers. So you have to write the smallest number at ones place. Always start from the ones place ma. 0 at the ones place. So next greater number, which number is greater than 0 ma? 4 is greater than 0. Okay ma? So you have to write the next greater number at tens place. So which number is greater than 7? 8, sorry, greater than 4 ma? 7 and 8 both are greater, but next greater is 7. So you have to write the next greater number in hundreds place. And which is the greatest number ma? 8 is the greatest number. So this is, what is this number children? 8740. By using these 4 digits ma, 4708, we can create the greatest number. What is that greatest number ma? 8740. Okay children, let's move with another example children. So third example. Okay children, move to the third example. So I am taking 5 digits ma. So for I am taking 5 digits now ma. 6. So this is the third example children. So I am taking 5 digits children. 6, 8, 3, 1 and 9. By using these 5 digits we are creating the greatest number ma. Which number ma? Greatest number, the biggest number, by using these 5 digits ma. So 5 digits means 5 places ma. What are the 5 places ma? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000. These are the 5 places na children. So among these 5 numbers, which is the smallest one ma? 6, 8, 3, 1, 9. Which is the smallest children? 1 is the smallest. So you have to place the 1 in the ones place. 1 in the ones place. So next greater number is compared to 1, which is the greater ma. Next greater is 6, 3 ma. Next greater number is 3 ma. All the 4 numbers are greater than 1, but next greater number is 3. So you have to 3 in tens place. Okay ma. Then 6 is the next greater number ma. So you have to write 6 in the hundreds place. Then ma 8 ma. Okay children. So next greater number, the greatest number is 9. So by using these 5 digits, what are the 5 digits ma? 6, 8, 3, 1, 9. We can create the greatest number. And what is the greatest number ma? The greatest number is 98,631. What is that children? 98,631. So let's do with another example children. Okay children, let's move with the next example. So this time we can take 6 digits ma. So what are the 6 digits ma? Okay na? Okay children, so say a few numbers ma. 1, 5, 0, 4, 9 and 3. How many digits are there ma? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many digits children? This is the 6 digits ma. So by using these 6 digits, what we are doing ma? We are creating the greatest number. We are creating the greatest number by using 6 digits. So how many places is occupy ma? It's occupy 6 places. What are those? First one, ones place, then tens place, then hundreds place, then thousands place, then 10,000 place, and the sixth place is lakh place. What is that ma? Lakh place. So it's occupies 6 places. Okay children? So now it's time to create a greatest number by using 6 digits. So look at, observe the 6 digits ma. Among all these 6 digits, which is the smallest one? So which one ma? 1? No ma. So 0 is the smallest number. Among these all, 0 is the smallest number. So where we need to write ma? 0 in which place ma? Ones place. The smallest in ones place, always you have to write the, in ones place always we need to write the smallest number digit among all. Okay ma, we have to write the smallest digit ma. So what is the smallest digit? 0 is the smallest digit. Okay ma. Then compared to this one ma, which number comes, which is the next greater number than 0 ma? So all these numbers are greater than 0, but next greater number is 1 ma. Okay ma. So 1 in which place ma? The next place is after 1's place, which place will come ma? 10's place. So 1 will write in the 10's place. Okay. So 0 is completed, 1 is completed. So next greater number, which is the next greater number among these 4 ma? 3 is the next greater number. So write 3 in hundreds place. Okay ma. So next greater number, choose the next greater number ma. 4 ma. 4 in thousands place. And the next greater number is 5. Okay ma. 5 in 10,000 place. 5 in 10,000 place. So which number left ma? 9. The great number, the greatest digit left here. The greatest digit is left here, the 9. So this is our greatest number by using among these 6 digits ma. So what is this number ma? 9,54,310. So what is this number ma? 9,54,310. Okay children, move to the next example ma. Okay, fifth example. So this time I will choose 7 digits ma. So what are those digits? 2, 3, 4, 6, 0, 1, 8. So I chose these 7 digits ma. How many digits are there ma? 7 digits. So you have to write the 7 places. What are the 7 places children? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakh, and the next place is 10 lakh. Okay children, these are the 7 places children. So what is the first step ma? You have to choose the smallest number among all these numbers. Which one is the smallest ma? Here also 0 is the smallest. 0 is the smallest number. So you have to write 0 in one's place. Okay ma? Then what is the next greater number? What is the next greater number ma? 1 ma. So 1 in tens place. So what is the next greater number? 2. Okay ma. So you have to write 2. Then 3 is the next greater number. So you have to write 3 in thousands place. So what is the next greater number among 4, 6, 8 ma? So compared to 3, 4 is greater than 3. So you have to write 4 in 10,000 place. So which two numbers left ma? 6 and 8. So compared to 4, which is the greater ma? 6 is the next greater number. So you have to write 6 in lakhs place, and 8 is greatest among all ma. It is the greatest number. So write 8 in 10 lakhs place. So what is this number, children? 86 lakh 43,210. Okay children, I hope that you understand how to write the greatest number nama. So let's move to the smallest number, children. Okay children, I hope that you understand how to write the greatest number. So let's know ma how to write the smallest number. So before that one, you have to follow these 4 rules ma. The first one, here in the ones place you have to write the greatest number ma. Okay ma, in the greatest number, how we are writing the smallest digit nama. Here you have to write the greatest digit in ones place, greatest digit at ones place ma. Then the next smaller, okay ma, just it is their opposite ma. You have to write the next smaller digit at where ma, at tens place. So in this also you have to start at ones place, you have to start at ones place. Here you have to write the greatest digit ma. First you have to choose the greatest digit and you have to write at ones place. Then move to the tens place ma. In tens place you have to write the next smaller digit. Then move to the hundreds place ma. In hundreds place you have to write the next smaller digit. Like this one, you have to write the till the smallest digit. You have to write that till the smallest digit is placed highest place of the number. Okay children, till the smallest digit is placed at the highest place ma. So how many digits, that decide how many places are there ma. Okay ma. And very important rule is the fourth rule, children. The fourth rule is very important. So what is that rule ma? The number cannot begin with 0. So while writing the smallest number, the number cannot begin with 0. Why ma? If it is start with 0, that means that, okay ma, that the 0 is not valuable ma. So for example, if a number is there, a simple one number is there. So before 1 if you place 0, what is it means? It means only 0 1, that means 1 only. That means 1 only ma. If you place 0 before a 1, that means it's simple 1 only. Okay children, the number cannot begin with 0. That means if you start any number, so 2 is there, if you start with 0 ma, it means only 2 only. Okay ma. But if the 0 is placed after that number, that has that value. Now this is 20 ma, this is not 2 ma, but here it is 2 only ma. So you cannot begin any number with 0 ma. So always you have to place in the second highest place. Okay ma, whenever 0 is there, you have to place at the second highest place. Where you have to place ma? Second highest place. Just recall this one ma, remember this one. Okay ma. So what is that? Read it again ma. The number cannot begin with 0. The number cannot start with 0 ma. So you have to place 0 at the second place. Okay children. So for example, I'm taking 3 digits ma. 3, 0 and 5. So ma, these 3 numbers are there. Okay ma. So how many digits ma? 3 digits. This is a 3 digit number. How many digits are there? 3 digits are there. So ma, so how many places ma? 3 places. Ones, tens and hundreds. So to create, what we are creating here ma? We are creating the smallest number. What we are creating ma? We are creating the smallest number. So to create a smallest number, first you have to choose the greatest number ma. Which one you have to choose children? You have to choose the greatest number. So among these 3 numbers, 3, 0, 5, which is the greatest digit children? The 5 is the greatest digit. So you have to choose the greatest digit first of all. What you have to choose children? You have to choose the greatest digit. After choose greatest digit, you have to write the greatest digit in ones place. Is that clear children? First you have to choose the greatest digit. After choose that one, you have to write in ones place. Okay children. So what is the Okay children, what is the next greatest digit here? Compared to this one, next smaller digit ma 5 to, which is the next smaller one? 3. Then 0. But we never start any number, we never begin any number with 0. So always you have to place 0 at the second highest place. So here among these places ma, which is the highest place ma? 100 is the first highest place. 100 is the first highest place and 10 is the second highest place. Okay children, 10 is the second highest place. So you have to write the 0 in the second highest place. So that means you have to write 0 in the tens place. Okay children, so now 3 in the hundreds place. Okay ma, so the number becomes 305. Okay ma, so by using 3 digits we create 3 digit number. This is a 3 digit number. Instead of that one, if you place 0 in one's place, what happened ma? 0, 3, 5. So it is a just 2 digit number, it is not a 3 digit number, which is wrong ma. So we have to create 3 digit smallest number. So that's for that one you have to write 0 at the second highest place. Okay children, practice with some more examples children. Okay children, second example. So I'm taking numbers ma. The second example children. So I'm taking 4 digits ma. 5, 4, 3 and 8. Okay children, so 4 digits, 4 places ma. What are the 4 places ma? Ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Okay children, so here to create a smallest number, what we are writing ma? We are writing the smallest number. So to write the smallest number, we have to choose the greatest digit. Among these 4 numbers, which is the greatest one ma? Which is the greatest digit? 8 is the greatest digit. So you have to write 8 in ones place. Okay children, so which number is smaller than 8? All 3 are smaller than, but next smaller than 8 is, so 5 ma. Okay ma, so 5 in tens place. So next smaller 4 and 3 ma, which one ma? 4 ma. So 4 in hundreds place. And the smallest number, smallest digit among all, you have to write in highest place, that is 3 ma. So what is this number ma? 3458 ma. Okay children, move to the next example ma. Third example. Okay, so I am taking different numbers ma. 9, 0, 5, 3, 7. How many digits children? This is a 5 digit number. How many digits ma? 5 digits number. So what we are doing ma? We are creating the smallest number by using these 5 digits. What we are creating? We are creating the smallest number ma. So how many digits? 5 digits. So we have to take the 5 places. What are the 5 places ma? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. Okay children, so among these 5 numbers, which is the greatest ma? 90537. Which is the greatest ma? 9 is the greatest. So you have to write the 9 in the ones place. Okay ma, 9 in ones place. So next smaller 7 ma. So next smaller number is 7. So 7 in tens place. Next smaller number is 5. 5 in hundreds place. So now 0 and 3 left ma. Which 2 numbers are left ma? 0 and 3 are left. So can we start with 0 ma? No, we never start any number with 0. Never begin any number with 0. So we have to place 0 in the next, where we have to write in the second highest place. So second highest place is 1000. So we have to write 0 in the second highest place. So the number starts with 3 here. So what is this number ma? 30,579. What is this number children? 30,579. Okay children, next move to the next example children. 5, 4, 6, 7, 0, 8, 9. Okay children, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many digits ma? 7 digits children. So 7 digits. By using 7 digits, so you have to take the 7 places. Ones, tens, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh. Okay children, these are the 7 places. Okay children, so here this is the second highest place now. If you found any zero in this one, if you find any zero, you have to place zero in the second highest place. Okay children, zero in the second highest place. Okay children, so come back to this number one, which is the greatest among them. 9 is the greatest among all these. So 9 you have to write in ones place. Next greater number is 8 ma, so 8 in tens place. Then next number is 7 ma, next greater number is 7 in hundreds place. Next greater number is 6 ma, so 6 in thousands place. Then 5, 6 in thousands place ma, then 6 ma, 6 in thousands place, then 5 in 10,000 place ma, next great number is 5 ma, and 0 already occupied in lakhs place ma, so the smallest number is among these 6 numbers, which one ma? 4 ma. So what is this number children? 40 lakhs 56,789. Okay children, I hope that you understand these two greatest number and smallest numbers ma, how to write by given digits ma. So this is a small, there is a small exercise for you. So okay children, so build the greatest and the smallest using the given digits ma. So these are the digits children, so you have to create the greatest number and the smallest number ma. Complete this assignment and send it to me ma. Okay children, thank you very much ma.